Hello and welcome to Fishing with the AeroKontiki. We'll do a series of short how-to videos on what's needed for AeroKontiki drone fishing. So the AeroKontiki is a very powerful fishing drone. You can take up to 25 hooks and sinkers, up to 32 to 40 ounce sinkers, a full kilometer, as far as you can see, even past that in some cases. So when you take that sort of bait and sinkers and hooks out, you need a really powerful reel system to be able to haul in your catch from that distance without losing it. So we've got three main reels we'll cover. We've got the Daiwa Tanacom 1000, the Shimano Forcemaster and the Shimano Beastmaster. So we started with the Daiwa Tanacom 1000 a few years ago with the Evolution 1 AeroKontiki. The Evolution 1 isn't as powerful as the Evolution 2 and 3 that we have now. So the Evolution 1 could quite comfortably handle quite a few hooks, but this is matched to, let's say, 8 hooks and 20 ounce sinkers up to the distance of 1,000 meters, and that can handle pulling it in with a decent catch. So this Daiwa reel can spool 1,000 meters of Shimano Suffix 832. It's a light sinking braid and works very well to the distance. You can use a 4-cell lithium-ion battery on it. And it's the same battery that we use for the AeroKontiki, and we do a special reel modification so that the plug can plug into the AeroKontiki battery. It's good to have a shorter reel. You don't need the full length. It's used more like a winch. Now when I say that you're using it like a winch, you're pulling it from a big distance. You can overheat it, so you do need to take care that you're not pushing it too hard. It's a power assist, so you can wind at the same time. So that's the Daiwa. The next is the Shimano Forcemaster. This is a very powerful reel. It can pull in a sustained pull of 14 kgs. That's using it like a winch. So we typically use this for our 16 hooks and sinkers, and we'll use up to 32 or 40 ounce sinkers with it. And the best part is you can spool up to 1,150 meters of sinking braid, and so you can go as far as you can see. In some conditions you can go past a kilometer. It's the same thing. We do a special reel modification, and we can use our AeroKontiki battery with this. You typically get 2 to 3 pulls. If it's 2 full hauls, it'll be 2. Lighter hauls will be 3 per battery, and that's an 8,000 milliamp hour battery. Same thing where you don't need the full length. Now the best of them all is the Shimano Beastmaster. This is a brushless motor system. It doesn't feel the strain. You can pull in a huge load. We have people using this with 25 hooks and sinkers, or they spread out their hooks over a very long line, so they can get better chances of pulling in their catch. It spools again 1,150 meters of 80-pound sinking braid, and basically we've had people catch kingfish and full load of this. It works extremely well as long as you can hang on to it, because it's got so much pulling power. So that's 17 kgs of sustained pull power over that distance. So those are the three main reels that you can use with the AeroKontiki, and it just depends what you need it for, how many hooks you want to take out, and you can select your reel accordingly. So thank you for that. We'll do more videos on setting up these reels and other aspects of the maintenance of the AeroKontiki and flights as well. Thank you for your time.